Is there any holy grail in trading? Most traders rely on lagging indicators and oscillators, and they miss out on the most important part, that is identifying institutional trading activity. Some traders who try to identify institutional activity, they use complex methods like reading options data, volume profile, market profile. I'm sure you must have heard this time and again that there is no holy grail in trading. But according to me, the only holy grail in trading is to identify and replicate what the institutions are doing. So when I say institutions, you must have heard the terms FIs and DIs. So if they are buying, we also need to buy along with them. If they are selling, we also need to sell along with them. But it's easier said than done. Friends, the key question is how to identify what the institutions are doing. However, all this is lagging. By the time you get any indication, friends, price would have already moved. So why not simply read price action, and why rely on all this complexity? Hi friends, I am Mahesh Kamath, a full-time supply demand trader and founder of MAK Trading School. I am a NISM certified research analyst and was also associated with Online Trading Academy as a consulting instructor. Through this video series, I am going to share with you a very simple strategy that is based on price action and identifying institutional trading activity. Yes, you heard it right. No complex indicators, oscillators. Just price action can tell you where institutions are buying and selling. The beauty of this strategy is it works across asset classes and across time frames. What you need to do is just go through this video series in a sequential manner, and I'm sure it will bring about a very, very positive change in your trading career.